Hi learners, I am Teacher Jonathan and welcome to EasyElimu Learning Simplified. For our lesson today in Mathematics for Grade 4, we'll be working with properties of triangle. Properties of a triangle. And as we work out for the property of a triangle, how can you identify a 2D shape? How can you identify a 2D shape? Join me for more on this. And in our previous lesson, we identified properties of a triangle, of a rectangle. We identified properties of a rectangle, and we saw a rectangle to have two lines of symmetry, four angles which are equal and right angle, and two opposite sides which were equal. And now, with me today in our pairs, we can identify this feature. What is the name do we give to this shape? What name did we give to this shape in our pairs? Wangari, what name did we give to this? We call this one a triangle. We call this a triangle. And today I've come with a bigger shape of that triangle. I've come with a bigger one. And we want to know the properties of this triangle. How will we know the properties of this triangle? Now, number one, let us try to fold it and look for the line of symmetry. How many lines of symmetry does this one have? So we fold it. We have now this one line of symmetry. We can try to fold it. Other way, we see whether we'll have another line of symmetry or not. We cannot have that side. Neither this side. So this one has one line of symmetry. It has one line of symmetry. It was looking like this. It has one line of symmetry. One line of symmetry. It has one line of symmetry. Property number two. Property number two. We can also check on the sides and the angles. And how will we check? We can check the measurement of these sides. Let us label. We have A. Label yours, B and C. You can just label and take your ruler. We measure the length of line AB. The length of line AB. The length of line AB. My line is 19 centimeters. So line AB, we can label this one as A, B, and C. So line AB is 19 centimeters. We can also look for another line, which line BC. Line BC. Line BC is 21 centimeters. What have you got in your groups? John, what do you have? 21 centimeters. Line BC is 21 centimeters. And the final side, can you measure the final side? The final side is AC. Line AC. Line AC. What have you got in Victoria? What do you have? 19 centimeters. I also have 19 centimeters. 19 centimeters. Now, from what we have seen here, what can we deduce? What can we comment on this? Yes, Jen. Two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. I can show this side and this side are equal. Are equal. Number three, we can try to trace the angles. Try to trace the angles. Try to trace the angles. How will we trace the angles? How will we trace the angles? We are tracing them. We see whether the angles are the same. You can use either the paper cutout we had earlier or a smaller one, another one. And when you trace, you will have something of this sort. So we are tracing angle AB. AB, you can use your pen to mark where angle A reaches from your paper cutout. This is where angle A reaches. So we can also go to angle B. We see whether it is also the same. That was angle A. Angle B, is it the same? Angle B is not equal to this because you can see it has not come to this line. It has gone below. So let us go to angle C. Angle C. Angle C. From this side, I want to look for angle C. Angle C is the same as angle B. Angle C and angle B are the same. So two angles are equal. Two angles are equal, but not 90 degrees are equal. Two angles are equal. That is the three properties of this triangle that we have observed. This is properties of this triangle that we have observed. Learners, in our higher class, we'll learn of other types of triangles, and we'll also look into deeper other properties of those other types of triangle. But for now, we have this one that has one line of symmetry, two sides are equal, and two angles are equal. Let us try to solve the following task. Let us try to solve the following task. And question number one is a triangle. Before I write a triangle, answer whether true or false. True or false. Those are the answers. True or false. You choose one. And question one. A triangle has four lines of symmetry. Is it true? Is it false? You answer whether it is true or whether it is false. Number two, a triangle has five sides. Is it a true or false? You choose one question from those choices, whether true or whether false, to answer those two questions. Learners, still do more practice at home. Trace objects of a triangle and try to look for these properties of the objects that you see. They have the same shape as these ones. And this marks the end of our lesson.